All right, let's go. Let's get our salmon. Let's go. Radio check. Gracias. Thanks to RETEVIS for sending me this radio right here. This is RA26. This is waterproof. What I like about this is it has a lithium ion battery, so this thing will last me long. This is my setup right here, guys. I got my Daiwa VIP salt water. This is a salmon rod, 7.5 footer. And for my rig, I got my deep diver right here. This is size 1. I have a flasher. This is a watermelon flasher right here. And from there I got my crippled anchovies right here. This is a 30-pound fluorocarbon leader right here. Right there. It's green crippled anchovies. Our goal is to catch our 20-pounder salmon today. Yeah, hopefully they're around. So I got anchovies right here. I'm gonna use this, but I got a sabiki in my bag, so just in case I run out of bait, got a sabiki. We're just gonna catch some bait. So this is how we're gonna rig it. So there's this spin right here. Poke it right there through the eye and comes out all the way to the other side. And from right about here, right there, that's it. And then just leave it like that. Alright, let's see how it spins. Yep, there you go. Good spin. Good spin. Alright, and my flasher right there. Look. Oh, it's not spinning. Oh, there. Yay. This is what they call salmon water right here. Look at that. It's green. Murky kind of green. I don't know what you call that, but that's the salmon water right there. The swell today is not going to be nice, guys. It's 6 feet every 9 seconds. So that's considered rough. So if you're not used to a roller coaster, you're gonna throw up. See, this is what I like about Deep Diver. It's easy to set up. You just click it and drop it. That's all. And then you're set. Let's go. There's so much bait here, guys. So thick. Should be fish here. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 35. All right. Let's go, fishy. Go, fishy. See those small patches? I think those are salmon. Wow, I'm on that spot right now. Let's go. Alright. I'm on. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Ilan, I'm on. Alright. Let's do this. Woo! This is a good one. Oh shoot, let's go. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Woo, right there. Oh shoot. No. Drag is too tight. Let's go. Get my net. Get ready. There, my flasher's right there. There's the fish. Oh, I'm almost there, guys. So close. I can't see the fish though. I haven't seen the fish. Oh, dude, this is big. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Dude, let's go. Oh my gosh, he's not done. Oh no. Oh, this is. Oh no, he came off. No, fudge. No. Oh my god, that was huge. Oh my god. No way. I can't believe I lost that one. No way. What the heck? Oh, I'm shaking right now, guys. All right, let's get back there though. Oh, this one. GoPro, start recording. There's another big one right here, guys. Another big one right here. Oh, shoot. Let's go. Don't come off, please. Don't come off. Oh, I'm gonna tire him out. Slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. Oh my God. It's another good one, guys. Another good one. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, shoot. Let's go. Oh, the motor died. The motor died. The motor died. The motor died. Oh, my motor died. Why? Why? Oh, it's sitting down in the motor. Shoot. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, the motor died. I'm on anchor. Shoot. Oh, it's just a big one, guys. It's a big one. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, the motor died. What the heck? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Keep running. I saw the fish. It's big. I saw the fish. It's big. Right there, right there. Oh my God, so much going on. I'm gonna tire him out this time. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm not gonna rush it. Come on, buddy. Come over here. I'm shaking right now, guys. It's not done yet. All right, let's go slowly. Up. Oh God. Oh God. Oh shoot. Yep, not done yet. Yep. Oh, come on. I see the fish. I see the fish. See it? Oh, it's big. Oh my God. We gotta have to keep our line tight and the motor running because this is we're using a barbless hook. Oh, come on. No, he's not done yet. He's pulling lines again. Oh, shaking his head again. Oh, that is big. That is big. She's almost there. Oh, this is fatty, guys. What? She's almost there. I see the color. Oh my gosh. No way. All right, my turn. Nope. Oh, he's getting more line. Oh man, he's pulling drag again. Shaking his head. Oh no. That's probably like another 100 yards right there. Oh, there's a boat coming. There's a boat coming. No, 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 no. Bro, I'm on here. Turn around. Dude, I've been fighting this fish for 15 minutes now.
No.
Yeah.
You want my net?
I got it, bro. No, thanks. Right here. Right here. Come on. Right next to me. Dude. Let's go. Oh, he swam away again. What the heck? Come on, bro. Come on, please. Oh, he swam away again. What the fridge? Alright, this guy's not done yet. It's still pulling line, guys. And it's been 25 minutes, guys. It's been 25 minutes and this guy's still running. He's all the way down. That's a flasher. Let's go. Let's go. We're back in business. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm running out of battery on this one. Shoot. It's been 30 minutes, guys. And now he's swimming down again. Are you kidding me? Let's go, my turn. Let's go. Let's do this. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. My turn. God. Come on. Huh? You know what? Let's go. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask Ilan to net it because it's been a while, man. It's 40 minutes now, guys. It's been 40 minutes. This is not fun anymore.
Oh yeah, flasher here.
Flasher?
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there.
Yeah,
Right there, right there. Right there.
Real, real, real.
He's right next to me.
Pull up.
Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Underneath, behind him.
Yeah, yeah.
Not yet, not yet. Oh shoot, he's under your boat.
Yeah, no worries. I got the pedals running flat. That's a big fish, dude.
I got this. That's a big fish.
Yeah, the buoy's actually over 3 days dropped like 7 or 8 degrees from upper 50 to 51.
Right there, go get him. Get him.
Driving that.
Right there, right there, right there.
Yeah, just gotta be patient.
Come on, he's tied. He's tied. Shoot!
Ah,
Already. Now before
Dude.
he saw me coming. That might be.
This is 30 pounder right here.
30, yeah.
30 pounder. Right there. From behind. From the tail, okay?
Yeah, yeah. Pull up. I just don't want to run in.
Right there. Right there. Get him. Get him. Get him. Shoot. Right there.
Pull up, pull up.
I can't pull it up. Right there. Go get him. Oh, shoot. Get him. Put it in there. Woo! Yeah!
Nice!
Oh my God!
around.
Free spool, free spool.
Oh my God!
Got him.
Oh! Dang. Jesus. That was crazy.
That's a big fish, dude.
Let's
Oh
see.
my God!
Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Holy cow.
Guys, look at the size of that fish.
Oh my God.
That's a monster.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was crazy. I was fighting that fish for 45 minutes.
God.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to net that by myself thanks to this guy right here. Yeah. I need to bonk him first. Shoot. Look how big this is, guys. This is humongous. I mean, yeah. Oh shoot. Look, this is barbless hook. It comes off easy. Yeah, it's out. That's how fast that is. Let's bring him up. Bring him up. Bring him up. Oh God, this is, oh, holy cow. Woo! Oh my God.
Big fish.
Big fish. This is 30 pounder right here, bro. This is 30 pounder. This is fatty. Oh shoot. Holy cow. Oh my God. Oh yeah. 20.
You want bait or jump?
24 pounder. Woo! Yeah! Got Ilan at the back. We're tugging Ilan because save some energy because trolling is not easy, guys. Come on! Come on! GoPro, start recording! Oh my god. That was quick. I'm on right away. That was like less than 3 minutes and I hook up right away. Alright, here we go, guys. This is a little quicker compared to the other one. The other one took me 45 minutes to... Oh shoot. Oh, it's behind my boat. No, 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 no. No, no, no. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, okay. All right, let's go here. Let's go to this side. Got you. Get in there. Woo! Yeah! Woo! There you go. Yeah. Yeah. It's probably like 30 inches. Look at this. Barbless hook. Watch how quick this one comes out. Oh. See that? Man. Whew. Get it. Yep. It's in. Look at this. Good size right here. Nice. Woo! Let's go. Yeah. All right, guys. That's about it. I got my limit. That 124 pounder, and then probably this is like 10 pound. Look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference between the two. This one is so fat. It's a good fishing trip. First time back in the ocean. Wow, what a feeling. All right, I see you guys in the next episode. You guys stay safe out there and be kind to one another. It's not just fishing, it's more than fishing. Check out his channel.
Thank you.
Fisherman's Chronicle. Is that right?
Yep, yeah. Fisherman's Chronicle.
Alrighty. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Something just fell off your kayak.
What is it?
Like a weird stick thing.